Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 portable car refrigerators. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the DC 1224 volts/A.C. 220V car refrigerator. Specifications. Brand name, Auto. Item weight, 6.58 kilograms. Item width, 32.5 centimeters. Item height, 31 centimeters. Item length, 44 centimeters. Item volume, 19 liters. Power, 68 watts. Material, PP. Voltage, DC 1224 volts/A.C. 220V. Inner diameter, 39 by 21 by 24 cm. External diameter, 44 by 31 by 32. 5 centimeters. Item number 2 is the Vivor Mini Car Refrigerator. Specifications. Brand name, Vivor. Capacity, 20 liters, 22 liters, 35 liters, 45 liters, 55 liters. Cooling range, 20C 10C/4F 50F. Voltage, 12/24 volt DC, 110 to 240 volt AC. Power, 45 watts. Net weight, 9 to 16.7 kilograms /19.8 to 36.8 pounds. Product, car refrigerator. Use, camping, picnic. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Vivor 20 liters, 22 liters, 35 liters, 45 liters, 55 liters mini fridge small freezer. Specifications. Brand name, Vivor. Capacity, 20/22/35/45 55ths of a liter. Cooling range, 20C 10C/4F 50F. Voltage, 12/24 volt DC, 110 to 240 volt AC. Power, 45/60ths of a watt. Net weight, 9 to 16.7 kilograms /19.8 to 36.8 pounds. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.